Hey, I'm Alan Dale from Gale Force Winds, and I want to tell you, it is such a privilege to be here at Discovery Community College, beautiful Surrey, British Columbia. I'm in one of the dental labs right now, and there's true experiential learning going on. So why don't you go ahead, introduce yourself, tell us what you do.
Hi everyone, my name is Jing Wang and I'm the dental assisting instructor. So my name is Jing, last name Wang. So this is our clinic session. Student will learn the clinical stuff here, and they will learn exactly like how they would do in dental office.
Right, so they get all of the theory and everything, and now they're actually kind of putting their hands in other people's mouths.
That's right.
And kind of learning exactly what it is that they're doing. These are students working on students?
Yes, student partner. So they will start with the theory, understand all the concept, and now we put them in real life. They can work on each other. So they're student partners.
So what are they doing? So what is this student doing with this student right now?
So now they are learning the sites for injection.
Okay. Oh, okay, so this is how, when everybody goes to the dentist,
Oh
they
yeah,
have to
favorite part.
the favorite part.
Yeah.
She's learning right now exactly what to do all of that.
Yeah, so she's learning exactly sites that we'll be applying for the numbing gel before the injection comes in.
How important is it for the students to do this hands-on learning?
I will say that's the most important part. Because only when they put into practice, then they realize that history relates with the theory and put into practice. Yeah.
These students are now, how close are they to being graduates?
So they are in term one, close to the end. They have one more month, and then they will be sent out for their practicum, which is the practice session for 1 week into the real life dental office.
Okay, and it's there sort of that they kind of really learn if this is for them. Right?
Yes, that's right.
How many practical experiences do they have?
So they have two.
Two.
Yep, so term one is when they are in half of the courses. So with all the theory they have learned, the basic things, so that they can experience them and also carry on that in the practical office for the first term. And second term, they will learn more skills, and they can perform more tasks in the dental office for the term two.
What do you think of the students here at DCC?
They are great.
Yeah.
I'm very fortunate. I have good classes. Students are very helpful and with each other. Very cooperative in clinic. They are helping each other. Yeah, so it's a great learning environment.
It must be fun to watch students.
Yeah, so I have two classes that graduate with me, so they were fantastic. Wow, they were doing behind the right arm, behind the right hand, take right down, and and they were like, oh, 2 minutes, everything's done. And we can start the show, and then when it's done, they got everything nicely clean and cut out. Yeah.
This is the time. Get back to it. We certainly appreciate it. Thank you.
Thank you.